Hello everyone, I'm Engineer James Okorie. Now I know that you might be wondering what I'm doing with board and what I'm doing with these components I'm holding here. By the way, this is James Okorie Technical Institute, where we practically train people on anything that concerns solar energy inverter installation, CCTV camera installation, industrial control panel and automation, electrical wiring. Remember, this is automation class. This automation class, we are dealing with different kinds of components that you can use as an automation engineer to build up any panel you want to build. Today, we are discussing on pin relay. And in our previous video, we discussed about pin relay extensively. Please, you can do well and go and watch. And while watching, please do subscribe and also share, comment, like, right? Now, we are talking about terminal categories of pin relays. And we said that the number one terminal category of pin relay is the coil, or we call it the energizing terminal. The coil terminal of pin relay. With me here is pin relay. And when you check this pin relay, I can just open this pin relay. This is the coil part of the pin relay, and this is the base part of the pin relay. Since we are discussing about the coil part of the pin relay, let's focus on the coil. The coil part of the pin relay, when you look in here, you see that there is a coil there, is transparent. You can see it clearly. Now, when you check the coil part of this pin relay, you see that there are the terminals that you must supply current to before the pin relay can energize and function automatically. I repeat, there are the terminals of pin relay that you must supply current to before the pin relay can energize and function automatically. Let's explain this with diagram. When you look at the pin relay, we have terminal categories because every pin relay must have diagram on the body, right? Let's focus. When you check, this is the coil symbol of pin relay, and this coil symbol of pin relay can be labeled anything. Let's take for example 2 and 7, which is the common pin relay you can see in the market. Then we have another terminal which is the common, and we have the normally closed and we have the normally open. Again, the same thing, common, normally closed, normally open. So this being the coil, this being the common terminals, and this being the normally closed NC, this being the normally open NO, NC, NO. So before this pin relay can function automatically, you must supply current to this coil, so that when the current enters the coil of the pin relay, it will energize and function automatically on this one. It means that if we have something like this, as for example live and neutral, which is maybe 220 volts here in Nigeria, you can supply this to this point and supply this to this point in order to make this pin relay to function automatically. Practically, we have to be building a lot of circuits using this pin relay. That's the reason why you must have to follow us, so that you can see all our videos on automation, right? So this is the first terminal category of pin relay, the coil or energizing terminal of the pin relay, and the work is just to make the pin relay to function automatically on this one. I'm Engineer James Okorie. In our next video, we'll be talking about the terminal category 2, which is the common terminal of the pin relay, which is the terminal that you must supply current to before the pin relay can start working automatically on this one. I just support the Technical Institute. We train people on ground, also we train people online. So you can come to our institute and learn anything that concerns automation, solar, CCTV, and industrial and electrical. We are located at number 1 Alabede Street in the Lagos State. You can call us or send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen now. Or you can also come at our institute. Remember, we sell a lot of training, practical training books that you can also use on your own. We have books on solar, we have books on automation, we have books on CCTV, we also have books on electrical. Remember, I'm Engineer James Okorie. It's my duty to teach you automation and anything that concerns electrical. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.